Sean, the Combs' ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura took to the stand today in his sex trafficking trial, just a day after jurors heard details about their violent, decade-long relationship.
We want to warn you, some of the testimony you're about to hear is graphic. Fox's Kaylee Schuyler joins us live from New York. Kaylee, what happened in court today?
Good evening, Tom and Courtney. Well, Cassie says she was a fan of Diddy's before she had met him and that he seemed larger than life. But she told jurors that eventually he controlled every aspect of her life. Cassie, now married with kids and another on the way, says she was 19 when she met Diddy and signed with his record label. He was 36 at the time. She says at first things were private because Diddy had another girlfriend, but at 21, their relationship turned sexual. Cassie became emotional in court when she testified about Diddy introducing her to freak-offs, described by prosecutors as sex performances fueled by drugs with male escorts. She said Diddy would watch them, and Cassie testified they became something she didn't want to do, but felt she had to do to keep Diddy happy. Before long, she said freak-offs, not music, became her job, with the longest one lasting 4 days. Cassie also telling jurors Diddy was prone to mood swings and that he got violent with her, quote, too frequently. She says he controlled every aspect of her appearance and punished her if she didn't obey him. Cassie's testimony is key because prosecutors are trying to prove Diddy coerced and trafficked her and other women and exploited them to fuel his sexual desires. Diddy's defense attorneys do acknowledge these relationships were toxic, but they say he's not guilty of racketeering, sex trafficking, fraud, or transporting for prostitution, Now, cameras aren't allowed in the courtroom, but people inside say that Diddy seems charismatic and even happy. But if he's accused of, or if he's charged on every count, he could face life behind bars. Tom, Courtney.
Yeah, the details coming out of that case are just so disturbing. Thank you so much for that update.